In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink or remove Zoom from JotForm. Whether you've decided to switch platforms or simply no longer need Zoom connected to your forms, removing this integration is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by opening the form to which Zoom is currently connected. To do this, you'll need to log into your JotForm account. Once you're in, look through your forms list and select the specific form you want to work with, the one that you know has Zoom integrated with it. You can do this by clicking on the form title, which will take you to its main dashboard. Once you have your form open, the next thing you'll need to do is navigate to the settings. This is easily found on the top menu of the page. Simply click on the Settings tab. What you want to do next is locate Integrations, which you'll see under the Settings options. Go ahead and click on Integrations to open up the possibility of managing the integrations tied to your form. Now your goal here is to find the Zoom integration specifically. You can either scroll through the list of integrations if you have multiple set up, or use the search function to directly locate Zoom. Simply type Zoom into the search bar, and it should pop up almost immediately. Once you find it, what you'll do next is click on the Zoom integration itself. Clicking this will take you into its settings page, where you'll be able to view the specifics of your Zoom connection, like the account or meeting setup that is currently linked. At this point, you've reached the final action needed to remove Zoom from your JotForm once and for all. Look for an option labeled Disconnect, or something akin to Remove Integration. Once you click on that option, a prompt will typically appear asking you to confirm your decision to remove the integration. It's important to double check this before proceeding, as this action will unlink Zoom from your form. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove Zoom from JotForm. This disconnection is immediate, which means your form will no longer interact with any Zoom functionalities unless you decide to reintegrate them at a later time. Always remember, removing integrations won't affect the form itself or any data previously collected, so you have little to worry about when cleaning up integrations that you no longer require. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it simplified the process of managing your JotForm integrations.